noticing changes in your bathroom habits, increased nighttime trips, weaker flow, or feeling incomplete. For men over 40, these signs may indicate prostate issues needing attention. They're not just minor inconveniences, they could signal serious concerns. Fortunately, you can alleviate this discomfort. Discover Prostan Plus, a natural solution designed to restore comfort and promote overall male health. The prostate, though small, is vital for men's health. It affects urination comfort and reproductive wellness. As men age, the prostate can enlarge, leading to benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, compressing the urinary tract. This condition can cause a hesitant stream, frequent urges, and an incomplete feeling. These problems can disrupt your sleep, energy, and sexual health. Recognizing these signs is crucial. Actively caring for your prostate can help restore comfort and vitality. Prostan Plus is a holistic remedy for men dedicated to managing their prostate health. More than a supplement, it blends 11 natural ingredients aimed at supporting regular urination and enhancing sleep. With anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, Prostan Plus boosts your energy, confidence, and sexual vitality. It's a trustworthy option for men focused on prostate health and general wellness. Ready for change? Don't let prostate discomfort dictate your life. Prostan Plus is GMO-free, lactose-free, gluten-free, and produced in the EU. Reclaim your comfort, energize your vitality, and embrace your masculinity.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.